Fractions. A fraction is part of a whole unit. What this model demonstrates is one whole unit. And one way to think of this so that it makes sense is think of this as one apple pie, one large apple pie. And what we have is we have the same unit that's been divided into two equal parts. 1/2 and 1/2, they're both equivalent. So we know that 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to one whole unit. A fraction has two parts. One, the top number is called the numerator. The numerator shows the number of parts that are being considered in the problem. Two, the bottom number is called the denominator. The denominator shows how many equal parts the whole number is divided by. The two demonstration models we have here, again, we have one whole unit that has been divided again into two equal parts. 1/2 of our whole unit is shaded, which we can very easily see here. Our second model, we have one whole unit. This time the unit is divided into three equal parts, as represented in our denominator. And the two, of course, indicates the two areas we're interested in. 2 out of 3 parts. So we have 2/3. In these models, the whole unit is divided into 4 equal parts. Thus our denominator is 4. That speaks of the different equal parts this unit is divided into. We can see where we're interested in one of the section, one part of the 4, so we have 1/4. Okay? In this model, again, we have 4 equal parts. That divides this model, so our denominator is 4. We are interested in 2 of the parts. 2 parts are shaded in, so we have 2/4. 2 parts are shaded in out of a total of 4 parts. Again, the same model. We have this model divided into 4 equal parts. Our denominator is 4. And of the 4 parts, 3 are shaded, so we're looking at 3 parts. Thus, 3/4. Our last model, again, the model is divided into 4 equal parts. We are interested in 4 of the 4 parts because 4 parts are shaded, so we have 4/4. Now let's look at our model, our next model. We have a whole unit that is divided into 6 equal parts. So our denominator is 6. We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our denominator is 6. And we're interested in 2 of the parts. 2 of the parts are shaded, so we have 2/6. Our next model, again, it is divided equally into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of the 6 equal parts, 4 are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thus we have 4/6. Our last model that we have, again, our unit is divided into 6 equal parts, and of the 6 parts, 5 are shaded. So our numerator is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/6, our denominator.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.